Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Before I start on the video, please help me subscribe, click that bell notification so every time I get new videos you guys can be updated. But let's get to the video. I took out the cover right here to get to the heater core. For the cover you're just gonna pull it down from here so it unlocks from here, and then there's a Torx bolt on the side for the cover. Once you get that out, you can get the cover out. And then for the heater core, this air tubes right here, you're gonna remove it. There's two Torx bolts holding onto it. One right here, you can see one right here, one right here. After you remove this, you have a little bit of space to get the heater core bolt. So there's one bolt right here, one bolt right here. I already removed it. And for this one, I believe you're gonna pinch it from here to pinch this little pin right here, pinch it together and move this to the side, pinch into it, and then I pry it out. There you go. Show you a closer look how I get that out. So just pinch it from here and then pry it out from the back of this bracket. But if you strong enough, you can do it with your finger. Just pinch it here and then pry the bracket out at the same time. The Allen for this bolt right here to loosen out the clamps right here. Once you get that out, you can pry this out to get it to unlock from the line, and then remove this bolt and remove the top bolt right here, and then take out this clip like that. There you go. And then for this clamps, I just spread it out so it unlocks from this part right here. And then before you guys remove the line, put the towel so there's going to be a little bit of coolant coming down to it. So I got to this part, I got stuck a little bit. There's one more bolt that you have to remove, which is this one. It's right here. You're gonna have to remove the top line first, so before you can remove the cover right here, because the line, it goes through the cover. So you're gonna kind of have to mess around with it. Oh, there you go. And then for the bottom line, same thing. Should have put more towel. I'm trying to get the heater core out, and I was stuck on the line a little bit. So what I did is I loosened out the bracket right here also. There's one bolt right here, and there's one bolt on top right here. So once you loosen that, you can get a little bit more room to get the heater core out. For the top line, I kind of hang it up where the air tube goes, this part. And just make my way out on the heater core. There you go. Ta-da! And you want to do this when the car is completely cooled down. You don't want to do it when it's hot because you don't want to burn yourself. But here's the whole heater core. My new heater core. This is aftermarket, it's not original. That's the part number right there. The kit comes with the new clamp, the two O-rings, and the bolt. Also, it's come with the little foam piece right here. So it's where you're gonna be putting it on the new heater core right here. This is the, I believe this is original part, and that's the part number right here. This is the two new lines, but I'm not replacing the line. So now you can see on the back of the heater core, I put the foam piece right here. So I think it's just for not rubbing against the other end of the HVAC box. So I'm gonna put this in. I also put grease where the O-ring's gonna sit, where the line goes in, and I grease the O-ring too also, so that way it just slides in easier. Now I got the line in, the bottom line in, and the top line is in, and then put the cover back. There you go. And then after that, you can put the clamps I put the original clamps back on top because this clamp was too hard for me to put on top. It was like an awkward position, so I just reused the original clamps. And then for the arms, I hooked it back in, and then I'm gonna put the air tube back. Right now I have the car on with the heater on. Make sure there's heat coming out. Make sure you double check the heater core line too. Make sure there's no leak on both lines. If there's leak, you gotta either fix the O-ring or you gotta tighten the clamps again. But this car before there was no heat. I've been having it on idle. Now there's heat, so it's good. Make sure you fill up the coolant too on the reservoir. So whatever that's leaked out of the heater core, you're gonna fill it up on the coolant reservoir, and make sure there's no coolant light here. If it's blinking, that's mean you still need coolant. And if you still don't have heat, that's mean there's still air trapped inside the heater core. So you just gotta keep filling up the reservoir and hold the gas up to 2500 RPM, and just hold it there to push all the air out of it to the reservoir, and keep filling up the coolant. But that is it for this video, guys. If you have any question, comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. Subscribe. I'll keep everybody updated. But this is it for heater core video. Peace.